Hi, I'm Sephora Beauty Director David Razzano, and this year Sephora is going to be making gifting a lot easier for you. You're going to quickly be able to check off everyone on your list, including yourself, because you deserve a little treat. And this way you'll have more time to spend with the ones you love. So starting with skincare, we have two great kits that are going to make giving the gift of holiday glow easier than ever before. Basically just put a bow on them and you're done. First up, we have from the Sephora favorites, this is the Skin Wonderland Kit. Now this is full of products valued at $181, but it retails for an incredible $64. It's the perfect gift for that skincare lover in your life because it's filled with top brands like La Mer, Kiehl's, and Pharmacy. Another great option is from Drunk Elephant. This is the Shelf Respect Day Kit. Now this is valued at $124, but it retails for only $88. It does come with a full size of the C Firma Serum, which is a hot ticket skincare item right now, as well as some travel-friendly versions of Drunk Elephant's best sellers. Now when it comes to makeup, Sephora's asking you to be a little bold. Give someone some color this holiday season. And we have two really good options for this. First, from NARS, this is the Soft Core Mini Blush and Balm Duo. Now this is a perfect stocking stuffer as it retails for just $24. It comes in the brand's 3 signature shades, so it's a great addition to anyone's makeup bag for that perfect little pop of color during the holiday season, which we all love. Up next, great gift, or something you might want to keep for yourself because it's really good for the holiday looks you're going to want to create. This is the Sephora Collection Arctic Eyes Eyeshadow Palette. Now this is an 8-pan eyeshadow palette that's essential for creating all of those beautiful glamorous holiday looks. It comes in this gorgeous white holographic case, which is super chic for your holiday travel. Best of all, this is only $10, so grab it while it's there. And then finally, to keep your hair looking incredible all throughout your holiday schedule, this is the Amika Smooth Operator Kit. Now this is also a perfect gift for that person in your life who's looking for long-lasting, silky smooth hair. And it comes with the Polished Perfection Straightening Brush, as well as the Mighty Mini Ionic Dryer and travel-friendly versions of Amika's best sellers. Now this one values at $210, but is selling for only $120. So definitely a hot item you're going to want to grab, whether for a hair care lover in your life's gift or for yourself to keep up with your great holiday schedule. To see all these products, as well as a lot more great holiday beauty, go to Sephora.com or come into your local Sephora and say hi.